Broke. It's something that almost everyone fears. It's something that stops fun. We're at a point where we've been traveling, being backpackers, where we have to stop for a while. See, the thing is, we've been having fun, spending money, but not really making any money. And I've been filming, and Rachel's been filming and everything. That will not change. But for a while, this channel is going to take a change, different scenery, I guess. The issue is we're broke and we have to go home. We have to go home and find jobs and make money. We came out with a very loose plan. We saw a lot of things and we had a lot of fun. And just assumed it'd be easier to make money than it has been on the road. And the only way to make easy money is to go home and get a job. Make money back home. Like I said, I'm not done filming. I'm not done with this channel. It's not happening. I'm not done traveling. I'm not done traveling. It's just a minor detour. I'm afraid to go home because I don't want to get stuck there. I just feel like if I go back home, it becomes exponentially harder to leave again. When you get a job, when you have friends, when you acquire things, it makes it harder to abandon all that, or leave all that, or get rid of all that and head back out. Back home, I don't feel at home, if that makes sense. And that's not to put anyone down or put anyone out of anything. That's not about anyone else but me. It's my thing. And through this channel and stuff I've said, I've always been preaching that people need to go out and explore the world and see the world and get out of their 9 to 5. And now I'm very disheartened that I have to go back to a 9 to 5 or any job. Routine is the enemy of life. When you get stuck in a routine, your brain goes on autopilot. It doesn't grow, it doesn't learn, it sticks with what it knows, because the path of least resistance is the easiest one. Not the one to grow, not the one to challenge yourself. It is, you've done it so much you can be on autopilot your whole life, and my big fear about going home is being on autopilot. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know where we're going to travel next. We're going to come back to Asia, South America, hang out in North America for a while, Europe, Africa, I have no idea. But I know that I'm thinking, planning, and yeah, this channel is not over. It's changing scenery for a little while. Yeah. So everyone, I'm coming home. See you guys soon.